It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no, hey, what you doing here? Oh, yeah, you're right. We're doing an unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini, and I will be comparing it with the Holyland that I purchased recently. We'll see then, which one is the best for me. And at the same time, with the sound test, you'll be able to see what works out best for you as well. So I'm going to switch to the hand cam so we can see what's in the box. The DJI Mic Mini is one of the lightest they have in their lineup. We're talking about 10 gram in weight for each microphone. It supports stereo and mono. Direct connection with the Osmo, the other Osmo lineup. So we're talking about the Action Pro, the Pocket 3, etc. The case feels surprisingly very, very nice. Like it's premium quality. So here we have the case. Speaking of the case, it supports up to 48 of battery life, which gives you a long time, right? So let's open the case, and each microphone is 11 hours of battery life. So on it, it actually tells you, once I'm able to remove the sticker. Often company thinks it's super easy to open these cases. So giving me a walkthrough how to open it. Thank you. Kudos DJI. So within the case, you have two microphone and one transmitter. So this is the transmitter, and on it you have the clip that you can clip it anywhere that you want. And here's a microphone. It has a magnet or a clip, so you can clip it on your t-shirt if you'd like. So you have two choices: either use the strong magnet or the clip. And then here's as well the transmitter, which is the USB-C, which will enable you to connect it to your phone if you want to use the microphone on your phone. The DJI also supports noise canceling. You have option for 2 level of noise canceling. So let's install this here, because most likely I'll be using it for now mostly with my phone. So here it is, easily, and I love the fact that it's all in one. The case, just like the carrying case, feels sturdy and premium. Let's see what's inside that bag. You do have the option as well, if you don't need 2 microphones, they do have the option of just 1 transmitter with 1 microphone. And you also have like the white color if you'd like. So in the bag, you have your AUX cable, the USB cable to charge the case, and at the same time your microphone. And I'm going to try to see if everything fits all in one. One thing I'd like to point out is I totally love the fact that I do not have to remove the USB-C connector, that I can just place it in the box without removing it. That was a gripe that I had with the Hollyland, is everything was separated and not everything fit inside the box. Now let's see if this fits in the box. And it does. But the cable is a little too thick, so it doesn't fit in, but it's not too bad. Again, carrying it, you have everything you need. Your microphone, the transmitter, the USB-C cable, and it does fit the audio cable if you have a DSLR. So kudos to DJI. I don't want to be having to carry different pieces in different bags. Don't want to lose them, so all together. I totally appreciate that. So it's a pick up my charging case, and I know everything I need is in there and closes perfectly. Kudos DJI for that. This microphone is good for Android, the latest iPhone, because the latest iPhone have a USB-C. Now, if you have an older iPhone, you would have to buy the lightning connector, I think it's called. You would have to purchase that, but with the latest iPhone, you're fine. Let's see what is in this bag. Okay, those are the little the little windscreen, my apologies, that you can put on the mic, which is great. If there's a lot of wind, it's going to cover it. I love that the installation is just a clip on. With the Holy Land, it's a whole struggle to try to fit the whole camera in, not the camera, the whole microphone in, and I can't even see the indicator on it anymore. So this, once you read it through, it's just a clip-on. So I'm showing it here, you know, line up the two holes with underneath the windscreen, and there you have it, clip, ready to go. Now put it on your sweater, you're ready to go. Now something else I want to outline is that you don't necessarily have to remove it. You can literally just fit it in the box with it over it. So if you always want to use it, then be it. Everything fits in the box. Again, kudos. That's one thing I'm always saying is I like to have everything in the case. I'm ready to go, pick up my case, and I know I don't have to forget anything behind obviously the USB cable, but in your backpack you have USB cable everywhere, right? Whether it's for your power bank or whatever. So that's good. So I'm gonna grab the Holy Land box so we can compare them in terms of size and what comes with it. So side by side, you could see that the Holy Land is much smaller, but much smaller also means that besides the two microphone and the transmitter, you cannot fit anything else in the box. That's my only downside. So I have to carry the case plus a carrying pouch. With the DJI, I wouldn't have to do that. So we see it here, much smaller, but less things fits in as well because of the way they've built the inside of the case itself. I installed the application on my phone. Take note, which is a major con for me, is if you have an Android phone, you will not find the DJI Mimo in the Google Play Store. You're gonna have to go on their website and download the application. Not sure how I feel about it. I usually really rely heavily on the Google Play Store to download my application, update them. It gives me some kind of sense of security, but I had another phone, so I installed it on my other phone, not my main phone. So really take note, if you have an Android phone, you won't find it in the Play Store. So if you have an iPhone, it is in the Play Store. Why? I don't know. I wasn't really able to find an official comment from DJI, just other speculation from different other source. So here's the app. As you can see, there's some pretty basic function, some functions such as, you know, noise cancellation, whether you want basic, strong, the audio channel from mono or stereo, and they pretty much give you a brief explanation for each, right? Safety track, low cut, auto on and off if you want the receiver to automatically power off after 15 minutes if it's not being connected. So this is really good as it's going to save your battery. Auto on and off with the camera, clipping control, what else? Auto off, that's for the transmitter. The other one was for the mic. Power button for noise cancellation, and the settings actually remains even after if you unplug and replug. So my guess is within the transmitter there is something that is safe, like I could reinstall it on my other phone and the settings remains. So now I am currently using it, as I mentioned. So this is what it sounds like with no filter, nothing, straight out the box, just a plug and play. Now we're going to test out the Holy Land. So I'm going to switch in between both so you guys can hear the difference. I'm going to read a small text, the exact same text, so you can hear which one sounds the best to you. And then let me know in a comment. So for a portion of the video, I've been using the DJI mic. I put the Holy Land right there. So I'm going to mute the DJI mic and enable the Holy Land so you guys can hear it side by side. And you can let me know in a comment which one you think sounds the best. So now the DJI mic is muted. Currently speaking through the Holy Land, which I've had for about 2 weeks. Did a few unboxing reviews with it. So now that you hear the Holy Land, tell me which one you think sounds best, the Holy Land or the DJI mic. After testing out the DJI mic, I have to say that I really like it. Not only does the mic itself feels more premium, you're talking about the transmitter, the 2 microphone, the case, the pouch, that is one. The mic is slightly heavier than the Hollyland, and I could feel it. The Hollyland is very much light compared to it. The case is larger, which I'm really happy about because I love the fact that I can fit pretty much everything but my cable, the USB cable. So that I don't have to worry about missing something when I get to my event and I need to use my microphone. The app has a lot more options than the Hollyland. The Hollyland is way too basic. And also the little description helps you, set it right. It also supports stereo and mono. The visual button on the transmitter are easy. I don't have to wonder or try to remember what the yellow, which one is the mute or whatever. It's just easy. And the dial, dialing from, the gain, it supports from -12 to +12, which is good because I don't speak that loud. So I need a mic that's going to be able to give me a lot of gain, while the Hollyland only supports up to 6. My major con would be that the application is not available in a Google Play Store. I think in 2025, every app and every developer should make it available in both. And I don't like the fact that I need to go on your website and download the app and then install it. And I don't like that. And the Hollyland has a little bit more item in them, in the sense that the Hollyland gives you actually 2 transmitter, right? Not transmitter, sorry. 2 adapter for the old iPhone that has lightning cable and USB-C. And they also give you those little neat necklace that you can put the mic to it, so you can put it around your neck. So you get a little bit more, and it's about $40 cheaper. So I kind of like that. And I mean, we're in 2025, so I don't believe there's a lot of iPhone left with the lightning cables. You can always purchase it on the website. So you tell me in the comments below, what do you think? Which one sounded better? Are you planning on purchasing one or the other? There's going to be a little bit more below. Thank you again for watching, and stay tuned for the next unboxing. Have a great night.